So remember here that we said these two signs next to each other mean negative, right? So they have an invisible multiplication with each other. And you recall that a positive and a negative will become negative. Two negatives will become positive. These two will become negative. So you can see why it will become 5 minus 7, which is negative 2. These, you recall, two negatives will multiply to give positive. A positive and a negative will multiply to give negative. A negative and a positive will multiply to give negative. Now, note that in our previous lesson, I did say division also behaves like multiplication when you consider the signs. So this is a bit like saying positive times negative will give you negative. So this means 5 multiplied by negative 2 because we have substituted negative 2 for x. That will give us negative 10. I'm sure you remember how signs work. So we have positive 5 multiplied by negative 2, negative 2 plus 5, and that will be 3. And do not forget that these two signs, I always say, you should see their relationships. These two signs will become negative. Next one is negative 2 subtract 5. So that is negative 2 minus 5. So if you do not know how to do it, you draw a numbered line. You start at negative 2. To subtract 5 means you will do 5 steps to the left on your number line, which should locate negative 7. 5 subtract x would be 5 minus 2. All right? This minus is still there here. So remember, these two next to each other will become plus. So that is like saying 5 add 2.